Yeah, welcome back to Easy Programming by Venugopal. In this video, I'll explain to you what is perfect number and how to find whether the given number is perfect number or not. Let me start. So here I'll create one new file, perfectnum.py. So first, what is mean by perfect number? Let's explain the definition. So perfect number means, for example, 6 is a perfect number because of sum of its factors except the number itself is equal to again the same number. Means its factors are 1, 2, 3. Don't include the 6 because we should not include the 6 here according to perfect number definition. And if the sum is equal to again the same number like this, now this is a perfect number. Let's take one more number, 28. Its factors are 1, 2, then 4, 7, then 14. And this is equal to again 28. Now 28 also perfect number. So now we have to check whether the given number is perfect number or not. And this program I will show to you. So first of all, step-by-step procedure. And also later, I'll show a shortcut way also. Let me write within maybe 2 lines. Okay. First, let's start first method. First, we'll take a number. See, after reading a number from keyboard, you have to find the factors. Okay. And you have to do the sum of them. Then that sum or total you have to check with original value. If both are same, then that is a perfect number, otherwise not. So in that way we can continue. So let's read a number from keyboard, enter the number, right? Then initially you can take a variable total equals 0. This is for finding the total or sum of the factors. We'll store all the sum in this total by adding all the factors. Then for in range of 1 comma n. Okay, 1 comma n. So actually we don't consider the 6 here. For example, if I enter the 6 here, then 6 we should not consider as a factor itself. That's why here I am not including n. In the range n will not be included. That's why here 1 comma n I am taking, but not n plus 1. So here if n modulus I equal to 0, okay, means which factor, I is a factor, right? I mean the number. Which number will divide the n successfully at the time that number means that I value we have to add to the variable total plus equal to I like this. That's it. And finally exit from the loop, and if total equal to original number, then that is perfect number, right? Given number is perfect number. else print of given number is not perfect number. That's it. I'll explain this step by step. First, let me execute this program. Py perfect num.py. That's it. Now here I'll take number that is 6. Now see, 6 is a perfect number. Same way, let's enter the one more number, 28. So 28 also perfect number. Suppose if I enter 10, so 10 is not a perfect number because why? 10 factors are what here? 1 and then 5. Okay, 1, 2 also, right? 1, 2, then 5, right? But some of these 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. That 8 is not equal to 10. That's why it is not a perfect number. So like this, let me explain this code step by step. For example, initially I will take a number from keyboard that is 6. Initially total is 0. So here range in the for loop, I values are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 will not be included. Now very first time I value is 1, it will check 6 we are dividing with see actually 6 we are dividing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 one by one. Okay, so first 1 we are dividing with 1. So okay, 6 we can divide successfully with 1. So this condition is true. That's why the 1 will be added to the total. I we are adding to the total because I is a factor to the 6 now. Now total will become 0 to 1. Next control will go back. This time I value is 2. So whenever I value is 2, again 6 we are dividing with 2. So this time also remainder is 0, right? Remainder is 0. 0 equals 0 true. then again it will add the 2 to the total, that is now total 1 plus 2 is 3. So total is now 3, right? Then again control go back, and this time I value is 3. Whenever I value is 3, now we are dividing the 6 with 3. At the time remainder is 0. 0 equal to 0 is true. Now again what happens, that 3 will be added to the total. Already 3 is there, 3 plus 3, now it is 6 now, right? 6 now. Then again control go back. Now this time I value is 4. So whenever I value is 4, now see we are dividing the 6 with 4. In the if condition you can check here. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 2 actually. So here remainder is 2. 2 equal to 0 is false. That's why it will not add that 4 to the total. Okay, but still to go back. Now this time I value is 5. Now we are dividing the 6 with 5. Now 5 ones are 5. Here remainder is 1. So 1 equal to 0 also false. That's why the 5 also will not be added to the total. Okay, then finally the range also will be exceeded. Then I mean exceeded means it will exit from the loop, and then finally total is how much? 6, right? So here total is 6. Given number is what? 6. So 6 equal to 6, true. That's why it is a perfect number. Okay, that's it. So but it's very lengthy, let me make it short. So there is an alternate way we can reduce number of lines of code here. Right, first we'll take a number from keyboard, and then here if okay, first I'll take here yeah, if n given number equal to sum of for I in range of 1 comma n, and here if n modulus I equal to 0, okay, then you can add that each I, you can do the sum of the i's here, right? I values. Then if it is 2, if sum equal to given number n, then we'll print perfect number at left side. Perfect number, right? Else not perfect number. Print of not perfect number, like this. That's it. Very simple in 2 lines. Now see, save and run. And here 6 I'm giving perfect number, and then 28 also I'm giving, so perfect number. If I give any other number, say for example 5, it's not a perfect number. See, these many lines of code here we have written in 2 lines. Okay, right, very simple. Above code only we have written in shortcut way. So sum is a predefined function, right? Using this sum, we have done the sum here. That sum we are checking with the original number. If it is true, then printing the perfect number. If this condition is false, means if the sum is not equal to actual number, then that condition is false, and here it will print else block statement, that is not perfect number. That's it. Okay, fine. So for more such videos, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button. In the next video, I'll come with another important program. Hare Krishna.